Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Zustand for lightweight state in React Native. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To set up Zustand for lightweight state management in a React Native application, start by ensuring you have your project ready. Open your terminal and navigate to your React Native project directory. Next, install Zustand by running the command npm install Zustand or yarn add Zustand. Once installed, create a new file inside your project directory. You can name this file store.js. In this store.js file, import the Zustand library by adding import create from Zustand. Now define your state store by using the create function. For example, you can write const use store equals create, set equals, followed by your state properties. Add properties to your store. For instance, count 0. Next, define actions to modify your state. You could add an action like increment equals set, state equals, count, state.count plus 1. After defining your store, export the use store by adding export default use store at the bottom. Now, open the component where you want to use the Zustand store. Import the store at the top of your component file using import usestore from /store. To access the state, call the hook const count equals usestore, state equals state.count. You can also access actions similarly, for example, const increment equals usestore, state equals state.increment. Now use the count variable in your component's UI. For instance, display it in a text component inside your render method. Next, add a button that triggers the increment action. Wrap it in a touchable opacity or other touchable components. Inside the button's onPressProp, call the increment function. After implementing these steps, your Zustand store is now set up and integrated into your React Native application. You can easily manage your state efficiently using Zustand now. Test your application to ensure the state updates as expected when you interact with the button. This lightweight state management approach will help keep your React Native app performant and easy to manage. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.